How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. Well, in this video, we've got two things for you. One is we're going to unbox this month's PetrolBox, and I'm also going to be comparing two different car shampoos to see the results. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, well, to start off, we're going to open up the PetrolBox. For those that don't know, PetrolBox is a monthly subscription box. They have multiple sizes. I believe this is their premium size box. You can get your own PetrolBox with a discount off your first box by using the code OCS10. And that also gives me a little credit with them. So please use the code. It'll help you guys out, help them out, and help me out. So also, before we get too much further, please be sure to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. It helps my channel to grow and helps my videos. So look, let's go ahead and get this box open and see what we got this month. All right, well, as I mentioned, this is a monthly car enthusiast box. It comes to your mailbox. It's like Christmas time monthly. I freaking love receiving this in the mail. Usually get some, car detail products, maybe some car apparel, stuff for your toolbox, tools, gloves. Every month it can contain all kinds of goodies. So let's go ahead and open it up. Before I open it up, there's also another contest attached to when you open this up. If you find a golden ticket, you win a free set of Rotiform wheels for your car. So that's an awesome contest attached to every single box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got for the month.
Loser.
All right, right off the bat, I'm seeing a PetrolBox shirt. I think, yeah, it's a shirt in large, really cool. I think that resembles a famous drift or rally car. I can't remember. It's an import, so I'm not as versed in their history. Ooh, Meguiar's multi-fiber wash mitt. Very cool. I will use that. These are really nice. Thank you, PetrolBox. Clear coat safe, scratch-free performance, ultra plush, microfiber lifts and traps dirt. Easy care, machine washable. I do wash mine 2 or 3 times before I throw them away, if not more. Ooh, a purple PetrolBox air freshener. I think I took last month, so may give this one to the wife for her truck. And for the candy of the month, I've got a Sour Patch Kids. Very cool. Love Sour Patch Kids. And so does the wife, so we may fight over that one. And 3D pink car soap. Thick pH balance concentrated soap. Rich, extremely concentrated pH balanced soap, cleans without dulling the finish, creates thick foam for easy cleansing, easy rinse off. Tell you what, I try to do a review of all the products and I've kind of skipped out on a lot of these videos. So this video, I promise y'all one. I just also got car shampoo that I ordered from Chemical Guys. In fact, it's right here. So we're gonna put this one to the test, their pink car shampoo versus the Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax. This stuff, I really like it because it has that color technology you get at some of the self-washes that brings out, the color of your paint, especially if you've got anything pearlescent. It really helps to bring out the color. Only problem I've had with all the Chemical Guys soaps is they leave water spots really bad compared to Adams. If you want a really good soap, the Adams, pretty much all the Adams are excellent. They're car shampoo, they're ultra foam, and I think they're foaming shampoo. I've used all 3 and their stripper shampoo, and it works great. Chemical Guys is about half the price, but I've had issues, like I said, with water spots, so just know that going into it. For the review today, after opening this box, I'm going to be reviewing the 2 shampoos, so stay tuned to the end of the video for that for sure. It looks like the table of contents were pretty far deep in here, but there they are. They put this in everything. It's a little thank you on the front from PetrolBox. It gives you the contents of the in the box and the websites for all the companies, etc., that made everything in here. and I'll try to read what we've got here. Looks like the PetrolBox shirt. This design is a parody of a very popular livery in racing. Our sticker this month will give some idea. All right, let's go ahead and look at the sticker. Yeah, this is the car. In fact, that's why I remembered that wrap or whatever it is, that scheme. Cool sticker, and I bet this is from Snake Oil Elixir on Instagram. Yeah, HKS R32 sticker, our series of stickers which are in each box, awesome illustrations of our famous race cars done by @Snake Oil Elixir on Instagram. And I'll put his link to him on Instagram in the comments of this if you want to go reach out and get some really cool stickers. These are awesome quality. I got them on my toolbox. I'll show you all some pictures here of all the ones I've acquired so far, but they've got kind of a non-reflective finish on the top that's real nice, high quality sticker. So if you need stickers or something like that, go reach out to him on Instagram, Snake Oil Elixir. And we've got the subscriber of the month. Oh, that is freaking awesome. Look at that old truck. Josh Miller, April 2020. Ah, gorgeous old truck. I'm jealous. And for those that don't know what this is, subscriber of the month, if you're a subscriber to PetrolBox, you can reach out. It's on their website. They have a link, and you upload your picture or send it via email, I can't remember, and you're entered in their subscriber of the month contest, which you could get a magnet for your refrigerator with your ride on it. So that's really cool. He won this month. Josh Miller, congratulations. It's a gorgeous truck you got there. All right, ooh, more goodies. It's a good month. Let's see what we got else. We got a screwdriver with PetrolBox on it. Let's see what it says about this. Also includes valve core remover. Okay, that's what I thought that was. So it's a screwdriver on a flathead on one side, and it's got a valve core remover for your tires on the other, for your tire valves. Remove the little center valve. If you have to replace one, they go out here and there. And it's also got the PetrolBox logo on it. Really cool. Nice touch, guys. And it looks like we've got a big sticker here from PetrolBox. PetrolBox die cut logo. Apply a clean surface and remove clear backing. So it's a big sticker for your toolbox, and I'll definitely put that on the toolbox. Very cool. I like that. In fact, I may actually, I wish my car wasn't so tinted. I'd put that on the car, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I may actually put it on one of the cars, maybe the Focus. Really good month from PetrolBox. Let's review real quick what we got. We got the PetrolBox big sticker. We've got the subscriber of the month, Josh Miller, and his badass truck. We've got some 3D pink car soap, thick pH balanced concentrated car soap. We've got a purple PetrolBox air freshener. And I'm not really doing this very nice, but oh well. We've got the screwdriver and valve core remover with PetrolBox logo. We've got the microfiber wash mitt from Meguiar's. We've got a PetrolBox shirt with a racing team livery on it. Really cool. And we've got a Sour Patch Kids for the candy. Really good month, PetrolBox. I can't tell you guys how much I enjoy getting these in the mailbox every month. I think you can reach out, mypetrolbox.com, use code OCS10 to complete the order. All right, so let's get on to the review. I'm anxious to do this, see how good this 3D pink car soap is versus the Extreme Body Wash and Wax. All right, well, loving the new shirt from PetrolBox. Thank you again. Love the colors on it. Brings out my eyes, I think. What do y'all think? All right, with the Corvettes in the garage, I'm gonna do it on the Focus just basically because the Focus stays outside all day. It gets driven almost daily in the dirt stuff. I think it would be a lot more fair challenge. I'm gonna show you all close up before on all around the car just so you see what I'm working with. And then we're gonna, I think the way I'm gonna do it is divide it in half, and I'm gonna go light on the car shampoo. I'll put an equal amount in the container. All right, well, typically as far as washing the car, what I use, and I'm gonna use this in here, it's a real quick wash, the Adams foam cannon. You just cook a water hose with a gun attachment on this side, and it allows you to shoot foam from here. Real cheap. I've had this one for numerous years. It's actually time to probably get a new one, but I'm gonna go light on the car wash in one. use the same amount of each car wash, because I think that's the best judge. I'm sure both of these car washes actually do the job, but one of the things I found is being able to, you know, make your money stretch a little bit further and use less, you know, higher concentrated soap, so you're not spending so much money. So let's go ahead and put it to the test, just so y'all can see what we're working with here. Here's how dirty the focus is. You can really see it on the silver stripes.
That's nasty.
It's weather, rain, driving. It is pretty dirty. I'm not going to use a brush in this test. We're just going to spray on, spray off with water and see how it comes out. I am going to do half the car in one, half in the other, and then we're going to come back and use a more concentrated solution, and we can see how much the suds, you know, are going to fall off the car. You can see how well they stick, and we can see actually how much dirt is removed. As you can see, there's loose dirt all over it. I'm not sure how much that's going to come off. Water hose may actually get most of that before the soap even does, but it is pretty nasty. The wheels are pretty nasty. Here we have it. First up, I'm going to use a little bit of the Chemical Guy soap, and we'll see what it does. All right, well, as far as the mixture goes in here, I'm going to use, I typically fill this up a third full, but because we're just doing a test, I don't want to be wasteful, so I'm going to go about, I don't know, a sixth up on the container, and I'm going to try to mix it 1/3 shampoo and 2/3 water. I wish I could smell this. It smells like a grape popsicle. Smells freaking incredible. I do love the smell of this. Wow. All right. Do the rest with water. All right, well, that's about 2/3 water, 1/3 soap. This is typically what I wash the truck and the Focus with. On the Corvette, if I'm about to do, you know, some detailing or something like that, I might go a little bit more on the soap just to try to catch more dirt, but if you're trying to be cost effective, this works great. And I will clean this out with water between each one, so we're not getting soap from the other one. Not too bad for a little bit of soap and water. There you have it for the Chemical Guys. Pretty decent wash. As I said, you have to watch the Chemical Guy stuff because it will leave water spots. So I'm going to rinse this off real quick and we'll go to the other shampoo. All right, now I'm going to clean out the container. All right, well, as y'all can see here, you got it real cleaned off the tube, the container. So we're going to fill it up with this pink car soap from 3D Next and see what it does on the other side of the Focus. I did fill this one up a little bit more, and as you saw, the third I used in the beginning was even more, because I'm probably going to go ahead and finish off the car with this 3D stuff and try it. Well, let's go ahead and try it. This stuff, I can see it sticking a little bit better actually than the Chemical Guy. I don't know if it's foaming quite as good, but it does seem that it's, I don't know, maybe it's got some wax in there or something. There's a little better foam. Well, I'm not sure if there's a whole lot of difference, and I wasn't sure if I was going to expect one either. These are both, looks like probably quality brands of car shampoo, and honestly you can't go wrong with either one of them. I'm impressed. It does seem like this one is kind of sticking better than the Chemical Guys. I'm curious in the end which one is going to leave the worst water spots. I'm willing to bet the chemical, guys. But so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off, finish up the video. We just give y'all some end result footage here. You see, it did get a lot of the dirt. The car is still kind of wet, so it's hard to judge, but you can still see where it missed some stuff. There's a big spot, dirt spot. There's some more. But I wasn't expecting to get it all. Actually, right here, I did notice a lot of dirt buildup. You can still see some, so I wiped my finger over it, but I did get a lot of that. I'm shocked. Wheels look a little better, but I mean, this car is dirty enough. I don't think just rinsing it is, gonna do the job. I'm gonna have to get a mitt after it, clean car wash mitt, and really give this a good scrubbing. But I think both the car washes did a good job. As I said, it's hard to pick one over the other. The chemical guy stuff I do like, and I did purchase that one for the fact that it has color technology that's supposed to bring out the color. I'm not sure if it does anything at all, but it's supposed to. I've had good luck with stuff at the self-washing stations when they have that color wax technology, and so I'm hoping a little bit of that is inside this bottle. We'll see. But both of them did a great job cleaning the car, without a mitt or anything. So 2 thumbs up either product. All right, well, that kind of concludes this video. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe. I'm working on more content. Roger thinks I need some driving content in the Corvette, so I'm going to try to provide that for y'all. I also need to work on a big exhaust review. I want to do multiple angles and stuff, so it's going to be a pretty intense video. So please be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of those upcoming videos. We've also got, of course, a big mod still on the way for the car. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a great and safe week.